Alright, let's talk about the 6SL3121-1TE21-8AA4. Now, this isn't your typical flashy gadget, but for those in the know, this little box could be a game changer. We're diving into the world of factory automation, and this component plays a crucial role. What exactly is it? Well, it's a module, specifically the 6SL3121-1TE21-8AA4, and it comes brand new, factory sealed. That's always a good sign. Knowing it hasn't been tampered with gives you that extra peace of mind when integrating it into a complex system. Reeling, the company behind this, focuses on factory automation. They seem to have a team of passionate engineers, which is reassuring. If you run into any snags, they encourage you to reach out, which is a big plus in this niche. Now, I can't personally vouch for its performance in a live factory setting, but the fact that it's new and sealed suggests it should perform as expected. The promise of excellent customer service is also a major selling point. Dealing with industrial components can be tricky, so having reliable support is essential. If you need a large quantity, they're open to that as well. This suggests they're equipped to handle larger-scale deployments, which is good news for bigger operations. Overall, while it might not be the most exciting product to look at, the 6SL3121-1TE21-8AA4 seems like a reliable and essential component for factory automation. The new condition, coupled with Reeling's focus on customer service, makes it a solid choice for those in the industry. It's a workhorse, not a show pony, and that's exactly what you want in this kind of application.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.